guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 14. So I'm starting off the vlog in my car. I'm getting ready to leave for work, and I'm probably gonna catch up with you guys after work, and then I have to go to Publix to pick up a cake because we're having a surprise party for AJ tonight. AJ is Devin's cousin who is also stationed here as well. He's in the Navy. I'm pretty sure he knows that we're having a party for him, but it's okay. I did order him a cookie cake and I got some decorations, so today's gonna be a fun day. So I just got out of Publix. Whoop, can you see me? There I am. Okay. I just got out of Publix and I just picked up AJ's birthday cake. It's a cookie cake, which is what he asked for. I'm really glad I asked him because otherwise I would have just gotten like a regular cake. Woo! It's kind of heavy. I'll show it to you guys. Let's see if I can hold it up. So this is a cookie cake from Publix. Publix has bomb cakes, but I've never had their cookie cakes. Can you guys see it? It just says happy birthday Alex, because all of a sudden AJ likes to go by Alex, so I thought it would be funny because I always make fun of him for doing that, because his whole life he's gone by AJ, and now since he joined the military he has everybody call him Alex. So anyways, I just thought it would be funny, but I picked that up. Now I'm on my way home. So I've been home for a little bit now, and it's about 2:20. I just was upstairs doing some laundry, and I cleaned the guest bathroom, and I cleaned and changed the sheets in the guest bedroom, but I didn't show that because I just showed like a montage of me doing that like a week ago. So I'm gonna show you guys a cleaning montage of cleaning the downstairs, so let's do it. Okay guys, so I just finished cleaning up like around the house. Like I mentioned last night in my vlog, I pretty much did most of the cleaning last night, like dusting, wiping down stuff like that. So really all I had to do today was the floors, and I was gonna mop, but then I realized like they're gonna get dirty all over again with everybody walking in tonight, so I was like, I'm just not gonna mop. But I got some decorations, and I got all this from the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna show you guys where I put it all. But I got this little thing for like our dining room table. I don't know if anybody will even go in there and sit down, but I just thought, just in case, because I got a paper, what is this called? Tablecloth? Yeah, just a blue one. And then I got some clear, this came with 48 forks for $1. And then I got 2 packs of these plates. They just say happy birthday. And they came with like 17 in each one. So I was like, okay. Oh man, I forgot I had these. Okay, so I got these balloons, and they are like marble, and so I thought I would blow them up. We'll see how that goes. I also got streamers, and then some shot glasses. That's all I got. The reason I got these is because we never have any, and so I just got these little ones that look like red Solo cups, you know, for water. this room looks like. I think the things on the fan look stupid, but I had so much leftover streamers. But my friend Nicole's gonna be here soon, so I'm gonna ask her if she thinks we should put them anywhere else. I also have all these balloons here in the living room. I'm also gonna have her help me figure out where to put those because I forgot to get strings to like hang them from the ceiling. So I don't know what to do. I put streamers over the back door like you guys saw. And then over here, everybody's bringing food and stuff. So we just got the cake and everything, but I put the forks in this little cup. That actually is from the Dollar Tree as well. Here's my plates, the little solo cups. And then here's his cake. I'll give you guys a better look at it. This is what it looks like. Aw, I'm so excited. Also, this card is actually just his Christmas card because he wanted one. But yeah. If you're wondering like why we wanted to do this is because we love AJ, first of all. Second of all, he's stationed here, which is like, what are the chances of our cousin being stationed here? And then the other thing is that he's moving in February, so we're really sad about that. So I just wanted to do something special for him because I know he's not gonna be home for his birthday. And today is his actual birthday. So if you're watching this, AJ, I love you. All right, so I just finished putting myself together. I put on my cactus shirt that says let's stick together that I showed you guys a couple days ago, and I just kind of like put some powder on my face because my face was getting really oily because I was getting hot. And yeah, I'm just waiting for Devin to be up and ready, and our friends should be over here soon, and then we'll have to go pick up Sherman from daycare because he went to daycare this morning. I think I forgot to tell you guys that. Okay guys, we're here. Everybody's here. Stuckington's here. Allison's here. You want to introduce yourself? Brad. Here, wait. Everybody say hi. I'm Nicole. That's my friend Nicole.
Victoria.
You want to be on it, Wiseflow? Wiseflow is not a real person. Sherm the worm.
I am.
Devin, you want to say hi?
Hey.
Did AJ say he was on his way?
If you guys don't think the Steelers are going to win the Super Bowl, honestly, unsubscribe. Like, it's done. It's on lock. You don't get it. Like, it's over. Saints and Steelers Super Bowl. Saints, baby.
Did AJ say he was on his way?
Trash. No, 8:30.
I heard you guys gave it away. 246.
Us? What?
That was not us that gave away the secret. It was his girlfriend, right?
Yeah. He said the only reason he got suspicious is because you guys gave it away.
So did you! And so did you, he said.
We all gave it away.
Anyway, he's on his way and...
He doesn't know you guys are coming, right?
Wait, can we still yell surprise?
Yeah,
like it's a surprise?
Yeah, because he doesn't know they're here and he doesn't know they're here. And he doesn't know any of my friends.
Okay, it's still gonna be a surprise.
Yeah.
Okay guys, it's 9 o'clock and AJ still hasn't showed up. Everybody's been here since 6 o'clock. You wanna be in my video?
2 minutes.
You wanna tell them what your name is?
Dom.
Dom.
I'm light skinned.
You wanna say hi, Harris? To my people?
Her husband didn't let me be in the second video, so I have to be in her video instead.
Okay, well we're still waiting on AJ because he's 3 hours late. So if you're watching this, AJ, you suck.
German.
Hi. It'd be a shame if I have some food in the kitchen.
What do you got, Jimmy?
Victoria's upstairs. She's...
What up, bro?
Yeah. What up, Brad? What up?
Whoa.
Did we get you good or what, AJ? Did you hear me? He said, you're supposed to be here, Victoria. Yeah.
That's me quick.
AJ, were you surprised?
I was pretty surprised.
Did you know that we were gonna all be here?
No, I did not.
Why did you silence your phone? You live here. You don't have to silence your phone.
Because my alarm was going off and I didn't want him to hear it. Do you want me to video just the cake? Or your face and the cake?
No, like, for his cruise?
I'm just trying to get footage, you know? Is it recording now? Yeah, I think I hit record already. Okay.
Dylan.
This looks so good.
Paris.
Supposedly Publix cakes are really good, so hopefully it's good. That was a nice shot, thanks. I was trying.
I don't know why Sherman would want to get in here, because this is...
Look at this, Bubba. Sherman.
You're going in the hole.
You guys know
So sleepy. Huh, Bubba?
You guys know that this is where I...
He's trying to get away from people. Look at this Bubba. Oh, now he wakes up. He's sitting on Sammy, laying on Allison. Soaking it all in. Look at that nose. He's so cute. He's like, you're disturbing me. As soon as you start. Dear God, help me.
Hey, just so you guys know, so I'm giving you guys something.
Everyone in the vlog!
Listen, guys, it's been real. It's my birthday. I cut myself a little bit, and they figured it out, but it's okay. There's
birthday,
Allison
Dave.
Stanton.
Listen!
Bring it in.
Listen, I'm trying
It's been real. I love y'all. Vlogmas number 8 or number 9, whatever it is.
It's 14.
14! Whoa!
This guy right here, this man.
Oh my God.
You're gonna see him in a lot of stuff.
Guys,
Open this
he
motherfucker.
cut his finger, got blood all over the place.
He's like.
Then
the next big thing.
someone broke something.
That's all I'm saying.
And then AJ got blood all over the place. Someone has worn black shoes that have scuffed all over the floor. I'm stressing out. I'm just kidding.
Tune in for next season in a year and a half or 2 years.
Who wants to end the vlog with me? Me. Alright guys, here, I'll just stand like this.
See you later, guys. Vlogmas number 15 is coming soon.
Bye.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'm posting every day in the month of December. And I'll see you tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 15. You wanna say bye, babe? Good night.